Okay, we're over here, go to math.com, click on the algebra, and let's go down to absolute value equations 3.2. Okay, so we're going to be wanting to find the solution to this equation, or solutions actually, and of course we'll write those solutions in numerical order if you want to check them. Check your work before you actually see the answer. Alright, so let's spend a second here and let me write this down. Negative 5 absolute value of x plus 14 is equal to negative 20. Let's, what are we going to do here? Go over to the whiteboard. That's it. So the idea is we want to find the solutions to the equation. And this is the equation. Negative 5 absolute value of x plus 14 is equal to negative 20. Now we want to get this thing in more of a standard form where we just have nothing but the absolute value of some function over here to the left hand side. And in order to do that, we need to get rid of this negative 5, and we're going to do that by multiplying through by its conjugate. Just about to put a negative down there in the bottom. And so we'll multiply through by to both sides by negative 1 over 5. And we'll put that in parentheses because of that negative symbol. So now we have negative 1/5 times a negative 5 here. And so that'll give us a 1. Right, so we can rewrite this as x plus 14 is equal to, now let's go ahead and simplify over here. We got negative 20 times negative 1/5, and a negative is positive, and 20 times 1/5 is going to be 4. Alright, so we got it in the standard form that we wanted in, and now we can go ahead and drop the absolute value signs. And so we have x plus 14 is equal to 4, and of course we're going to rewrite this again, x plus 14, except this time we're going to multiply this side by negative 1. And so that gives us a negative 4. So now we have two equations, and we want to now solve and find the solution for both of these equations. Alright. So we'll go ahead and take this positive 14 over to the right hand side, and it becomes negative 14, and now we can write, since 4 minus 14 is negative 10. So negative 10 will be one of our solutions to our equation, and now we'll go ahead and do the other side. So we have x is equal to negative 4 minus 14. Right, taking this 14 over here to this side, because it's positive, we take it to the right and becomes negative. And now we have x is equal to negative 18, negative 18. So now we have two solutions. And you can always check your solutions by taking them and plugging them into the original and seeing if that's a true statement or not. And of course we're going to write these in numerical order where the smallest goes on the left hand side. Okay, so negative 18 and negative 10. Let's go back. Now like I said, you can take the negative 10, plug it in right here. Negative 10 plus 14 is going to be 4, and the absolute value of 4 is 4, and 4 times negative 5 is negative 20. Alright, so anyway, so we have negative 18, negative 10. Let's make sure the checkbox is programmed correctly. Whoa, I about made a mistake. Don't want to do that. Correct. Okay. So there you go. We are somewhere. Refresh the page. We're over here at gotomath.com. Look, there's Tyrannosaurus Rex. I guess we lost internet connection. That must be what's going on here. I took a short break, and we lost internet connection. Anyway, so we're over here at gotomath.com. See you later.